If you're still in the closet about loving a bargain, don't leave, just turn the volume down. Your secret is safe with us, as we take a look at a bargain of a motorised slider, the Pixapro Slidebot. AJ recently challenged me to get a motorised slider for under £400, and I clearly won hands down. If someone told you that you could get a buttery smooth motorised slider for £100, well, you would think they're mental. The Pixapro Slidebot is a pocket-sized motorised dolly, so not exactly a slider, but it can achieve super smooth linear shots just like a slider. But better than that, it can also arc your subject a full 360 degrees, making your footage look pro. This self-titled pocket-friendly slider is actually more camera bag friendly. You wouldn't really want to carry it around in your pocket. The legs fold out with guides that help you set a path for the slider. And with ease, you can set it up for a linear slide or varying sizes of arcs, depending on what you need to circle around. The tighter the legs are to the body of the slider, the tighter the rotation. When placing a heavy DSLR on top of the Slidebot, you'll need to adjust those legs to counterbalance the weight. And this is a really easy adjustment using the Allen key that you get in the box. The remote control is simple to use. It has a distance of up to 6 meters and just 3 simple buttons that enable you to access the 3 speed functions and also stop, start and change direction. The Slidebot can operate for up to 6 hours on one full charge, carrying that full payload of 3 kilos. The device itself has an integral battery which is charged by Type A USB, and a full charge will take 3 hours, but with that long operational time, that's really no issue. The Slidebot features a 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch thread, allowing you to either mount your camera directly on the dolly or mount a ball head, which is going to be pretty essential. The footage, well, it looks great, especially when speed ramped. It's so smooth, there's no need for image stabilization. And if you're looking for an affordable way to increase your production value of your videos, well, the Pixapro Slidebot is something you really must check out. There is one massive compromise to the Slidebot compared to a traditional slider. It can only be used on a smooth and level surface, such as a table or across the floor. For me, that's no issue, as I really want this as a compact solution for tabletop B-roll, and that is where it's really perfect. It definitely won't replace a traditional slider, and it's no good for taking those talking head interview shots, as you can't mount it on a tripod. I appreciate most people will look at a piece of filmmaking equipment like this and think, well, that's for mobile filmmakers. But remembering that payload of up to 3 kilos, this slider will smoothly glide a huge range of surfaces with your DSLR camera. If that sounds like it could be for you, I've dropped a link down below. And if you've enjoyed watching this video, please do indicate with a thumbs up. I'll be hanging out in the comments, although you can catch up with us across social media. But please be wary of Twitter. That's where AJ hangs out, and he will talk you into spending all of your money on much more expensive goods. You could buy far more, but just stay in the comments. I'm down below this video. Come on. Scroll down, get involved.